everybody, it's Liz. I am back finally. Whew, it has been a crazy week around here. We had stuff going on at the cabin, and wow, what a crazy weekend and a crazy week it's been. It is Friday morning. And I will actually get this up today, but I got this in my shop already, so it's there. I just wanted to do a quick flip through of it so that you can actually see it. And yeah, so let's get into it. I'm kind of all over the place this morning, so I apologize if this is like a nutsy video. Like I said, you're coming along for a crazy ride with me on this YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So we have a small tassel. I did not do a big chunky one on purpose. So we just have some gold and some blue. I thought it matched really well. Some organza and some teals. Like I said, I thought the colors matched really well with the front of the journal. So we have that, and you can, it's connected with an eyelet and a bulb pin, and you can take it off if you want to. So I did keep the gold of the little golden book, and it is just 2 signatures. So this is not super small, but it's, you know, a little bit of a chunky one. So it is just, we have some rhinestones on the front. I didn't do much with the front. I thought the front was really pretty. So yeah, I didn't do much with the front. Just like I said, just a little bit of rhinestones, give it a little bit of color. And then just a ribbon closure to kind of match the fairy godmother. So now let's open her up and see what's inside. Like I said, it has 2 signatures. I did keep the original front. This is a 1986 version. So not super duper old, but old enough. And then I did keep the story intact. So we just have some first part of the story, and then just tags with some roses, and we have some journaling space in here. Just some coffee dyed papers in here. And it goes in like this. And then we have some, oh my goodness, let's put it in this way. That'll probably be easier, Elizabeth. There we go. It does fit in there. So, and then we have some copy paper with some pink flowers. We have some envelopes, and I do still need to put stuff in the envelopes. This one is actually kind of one of those envelopes I showed you how to make before. It kind of opens up this way. Real cute. So I did that. And like I said, you'll have some surprises in here along the way. I did not put them in purposely because I want whoever gets it to be surprised with goodies that are in there. So, and then we just have a cute little floral page. Lots of journaling space in this one. Lots of journaling space. Tape, and sorry, I'm losing my words this morning. The tape that I've distressed. Like I said, I kept most of the story, or I shouldn't say most, I kept all of the story in here. We have some tags, some flips, some journaling space, stamped images throughout, ribbons throughout. There's that, I call it the little kid paper that I really like. Ribbons, and some more of the story. And I tried to match the, colors with the story. So you'll see the pink of Anastasia's dress with the pink here. So this is the middle of the first signature, and we just have some butterflies and some roses. I matched the butterfly with the butterflies here. We open it up, so here's the middle of the signature, and like I said, the coffee dyed papers, and we have some, oh, that needs to be, I'll make sure I glue that down a little bit better. These were labels that I got. Honestly, I can't remember if I got them off of Ally or if I got them off of Temu. Anyway, some labels that I thought went well with the journal. The little crown, and here's the king, and the Grand Duke. And then, like I said, just some tags with lots of lots of journaling space in this one. And here's some more tags, and I included little sewing machines in here because she's going up to sew her dress, and another sewing machine and a little floral in here, and this just slips in this pocket. So yeah, like I said, this is what I've been busy on over the past few days, just finishing this up. And I have not, like I said, filmed all week just because it's been super nuts around here, traveling back and forth to the cabin. So I did leave some of these tags blank, and there's another little graph paper, coffee dyed graph paper in there. We have some more tags and more stamped images. This one is pretty. This is actually vintage, oh my goodness, vintage gift wrap that I got from a lady who was saving some things for me. I actually put we have a Buy Nothing group on Facebook in my town, and I put it out there that I was looking for, like, not garbage, but, you know, junk. And she said, hey, I have some old gift wrap. Will you take that? And I was like, absolutely. Very pretty gift wrap in here. And then just some Prima flowers and some more tags. Some more copy paper. And these, I believe, don't quote me on this, were from Shabby Dabby Doodah. From Tina over there, just a postcard, stamp, and some journaling some journaling space on the back, an index card with some journaling space on the back. So, I'll get that. This one is kind of tight. I might have to, I'm going to leave that. I'll have to cut that down a little bit so it slips in there kind of nicely. So leave that, actually we'll leave that out so I remember to do that. So, and then some little paper bag spots and some more tags. I picked up the green and the bushes and stuff in here, and some roses and some more journaling spots. So yeah, lots and lots of writing space in this one, and another envelope which will get stuff in it. These were antique crochet pieces that I've cut up. They were ripped when I got them, and I think I actually showed these in one of my haul videos, and I think they were what am I trying to say? They were collars for ladies' dresses. That's what they were. So I cut those up and put them in the journal a little bit. I'm having a hard time cutting those up, but I'm getting used to cutting up some antique stuff. So, well, I cannot be a hoarder. I cannot be a hoarder. So, and just some more pockets, which I will add some stuff to. The second signature of the book. Another little envelope here that I've sewed on. Let's see, we have some more little kid paper. Oh, put that in there. And so yeah, and some more paper for writing space, more envelopes, like I said, which all will get stuff in there. And then, of course, we're coming up to the end. And then this is just some more of that gift wrap paper, which I thought was gorgeous and goes very well. And then we have a blank page. I like intentionally left this one blank only because I am including, I'm including this big pack of ephemera so that you can decorate more in here. So there's some tags and some more roses and some papers that match and some of that purple paper. I'm not going to take this out. I want this to be a surprise. But anyway, this is just a little bag that I've made. And so that gets tucked in there. And that will go along with the journal. And then this is just a little bag that I had and I liked it, so I left that in there. So yeah, so that is the journal. I'm glad you stayed along for that. You know, like if you stayed until the end, I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm fumbling over my words this morning. It's a little bit early here, about 10 o'clock, but I did not sleep well last night. But I wanted to get this up. This is available already in my Etsy shop. I will link that below. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks to my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new here, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for looking this far. And I will catch you on the next video.